Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can use your ChatGPT for text correction. One of the capabilities of ChatGPT is the ability to detect and correct grammar errors in the text. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get started. Now, the first thing you need to do is to open any web browser on a PC and then search for chat.openai.com on your URL bar and get logged into your ChatGPT account. And there on the chatbot, you have to search for correct the grammar in the sentence and then paste or type in the sentence. Once you typed or paste the sentence, tap on enter button to submit this command, and there it will generate correct text on the screen. Now, if you want to check or correct your grammatical errors in the paragraph, then you can type check grammatical error in this paragraph and then paste or type in the paragraph. And there tap on enter to submit. And there you can see the paragraph without grammatical errors on your screen. You can do this even in your article, email, research paper, and your resume. So that was the quick and easy video on how you can use ChatGPT for text correction. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.